USB backup. Connect a USB drive to one of the USB ports at the back of the DVR. Right-click on the mouse and go to Playback. Select Common Playback, the channel you require to back up, the date and time. Select OK. Click on the Refresh button. Check the box of the time which you require to back up. Click on the USB button. Select your USB, backup. Select the time period which you wish to back up. Choose the backup format, MP4, and start. Backup complete. You can now remove the USB drive from the DVR. Thank you for watching.